day. Thanks for taking some time every day to hang out with me. If you haven't noticed, we are in a different setup today. It's because we are unboxing the TRENDMOOD TATCHA box takeover. So I thought it'd be a fun idea to take off this full face of makeup using these products as well as some other Tatcha products that I already have in my collection. Also, I haven't done an Unready with me video before, so I'm testing out this style of video. Do maybe some more skincare videos as well as maybe a hair care video now that my hair is soft and a little bit more manageable, and I am changing my hair care routine to adapt. I'll leave both my TRENDMOOD unboxing playlist as well as skincare videos to watch previous videos, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and give this video a like. Let's get on ready. This is the inside of the TRENDMOOD box. It's all nice and wrapped, and here I am destroying it. I like how we got a card in this TRENDMOOD box. It just talks about the different products. I'm really excited for this takeover box. Tatcha is one of my favorite skincare brands. My mom got me hooked on them, and then I saw the prices of them. I just looked at her thinking, are you gonna keep funding this when I run out? But she's been cute and put like the exfoliator and the moisturizer into my stocking as a stocking stuffer for Christmas. So the first item is the brand new The Rice Wash. I am excited for this. I mean, it's Tatcha. I'm going to be excited. And this is what the tube looks like. It's a soft cream cleanser for normal to dry skin, which is good. I am definitely on the drier side. It's a pH neutral cream cleanser of rice and hyaluronic acid that gently purifies while moisturizing. And you get 4 fluid ounces. It does have a 6-month shelf life, so I am a little bit nervous about that. I am slow when it comes to using up all my skincare. I like to rotate my products, that way I can get a good idea of what's working, what isn't working in my collection, maybe passing on some products to friends. The second item that we got is the Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. I have used this before and I really do enjoy it. It has been good as like a skin refresher throughout the day. I'm not sure if it would really be like a toner, but I've also seen some people set their makeup with. Mist on this Silky Spray Moisturizer for a boost of soothing hydration and an instant glow anytime. Just 2 to 3 spritz, preps skin before makeup or refreshes skin afterwards. Oh, so you can use it before makeup, which is cool. Which reminds me of like Pixie's Milky Makeup Mist that I like to do when I like double prime my face before makeup application, especially in the winter when my face is super dry and it looks dehydrated and SpongeBob needing water. I haven't used the third item. This is the Serum Stick. Glide on moisture anywhere you desire to add smoothness and moisture. Press with fingers to set. Can be used over makeup. Oh wow. I don't think I would want to get makeup all over the stick though. To refresh and create subtle glow. I think I would just try to use this as a normal serum in my makeup routine. And this is what the Serum Stick looks like. And then the last items, we got 2 of the Luminous Dewy Skin Masks. We received these in BOXYCHARM a while ago. I did like them. They're just very expensive for sheet masks, which it is Tatcha. I already know it's going to be on the more expensive side. Since Tatcha doesn't have a makeup removing cleanser or balm yet, I am going to have to dip into a different brand. That is something I would like to see them expand in the future for sure. So I'm just going to take my Kate Somerville cold cream. I'm just working up on using this up. Just going to get it all over my face right now. Just very messily, which is okay because I have a makeup eraser. My contact, no. After using a balm on my face, I like to go in with an oil cleanser. This is the Tatcha Pure One Step Camellia Cleansing Oil. And I usually do 2 pumps of it. Getting just water and soap everywhere right now. I could be extra and use my Clarisonic right now. The PMD tool that we got in Box Deluxe is downstairs. But I also have this little Dermalogica one right here when I bought their new balm to try. Super gentle. So this is an oil cleanser, so we're not going to be seeing a lot of lathering up. There's only been like 1 or 2 oil cleansers that I've used that have really lathered up. When I have a full face of makeup on like that, I like to go in with the balm, oil, and then I am going to go in with the rice wash afterwards, just because I know that might seem excessive and I might be stripping at my skin, but I have so much makeup on. I don't want any of it left behind, so I do want my face to have a nice good cleanse. Otherwise, I'm gonna wake up in the morning with texture, breakouts. I will not be happy. I know I could have done better at that point. Now let's try the rice wash. Oh, there is a safety seal on it. Awesome. We love when our products are sterile when we get them. This is what the cleanser looks like on the hands. Should have thought that through a little bit more. Oh, does it smell good and lather up. Look at that. Oh, it's super gentle. It's getting in them pores real good. You never look as gracious like those Neutrogena commercials when they splash the water on their face. I'm not that graceful. It's gonna look like I started a water park in my bathroom every single time. The skin feels super smooth. I like how my face feels. Only thing is, I still have some lash glue and a little bit of eyeliner left on my lid and waterline. Usually I do have to go in with some micellar water to help get that off. Is it too premature to say I'm already obsessed with that rice wash? So taking a cotton round, I'm gonna take my Garnier micellar water. This is the big bottle. I got it at BJ's Wholesale and it comes with a travel size. And I'm just going to use it to get this lash glue off, and also getting any mascara or eyeliner that could be still on here. I also like to take a cotton round with some micellar water as well after I've cleansed, just to see if there's any makeup or dirt left behind. Oh wow, I don't really see anything. So here's the cotton round that I just used on my face. I don't see any foundation or any other face makeup left behind. Just these black specks of eyeliner, lash glue, and mascara. Now I can't really say that the Kate Somerville is like the best cleansing balm that I have used. I definitely prefer Clinique Take the Day Balm and then the LMS Collagen Balm over it. I think it does a better job. So I definitely think this oil cleanser and the rice wash played a huge role into removing a lot of the makeup. Because typically I would have had a little bit of brown, which would be foundation, or even dirt, dead cells, whatever it may be on one of these rounds. Typically in my skincare routine, I don't take this long to go on ahead and start putting on some other items on my face. But since I'm doing a more detailed skincare video, I am. Because you want to be able to put hydration back on your face within a minute. Because you might not get like the best benefits of your items putting it on past a minute, and your face might struggle retaining all like the nutrients, moisture. Next we're gonna go in with the Tatcha Essence. This is the bougiest Tatcha product I have. Now I did not buy it, my mom gave it to me. She bought it for herself, she didn't like it. I like to use it in place of a toner sometimes. I can't really say it's my absolute favorite Tatcha product, and I think it does help play a factor in as like a primer before I go in with my serums and my creams. But Murad has an essence that I really like, which is about $20 cheaper, which sounds like, oh, a whole $20, but it's still like 80 bucks. I just think that one just works out a little bit more. It's more of a gel and this is more of a liquid, so I don't know if that really plays an effect to it. That's just something I've noticed between using the two different essences. So we'll just let that soak in really quick. Now it's time to move on to the Serum Stick. I'm gonna try not to press in super hard with this because I'm sure this is like 50 bucks. So lightly. And there goes the Serum Stick. I don't know, I just felt like I wasn't getting enough. So I've mentioned in a bunch of my videos that I struggle finding a good serum. This would be one. I don't know if I'm just using it wrong or what, but I don't know. I did not like the application of it, but my face is soft. Like all these products are making my face super soft. I feel the moisture rushing back. Half of the time my face is like struggling until I put actual moisturizer on. Now I did skip exfoliating because we did a lot on the face, and the last thing I need to do is really upset my face, but I really enjoy this Indigo Soothing Rice Enzyme Powder. Talk about the most gentle exfoliator you'll ever use is this. I don't exfoliate every single day. I do either every other day or every 2 days. This is one that does not flare up my redness. Sometimes exfoliators can upset my face and cause a little bit more texture, but this one is so gentle. Like, you don't even feel like it's an exfoliator when you are applying on your face, but then again, it's just on like the more pricier side. Tatcha is one of those brands that is really expensive, but it works out super nice for my skin, so I definitely find it worth it splurging on skincare to treat my face, even though I'm having a little bit of breakout right here. And then we're gonna go in with the Supple Moisturizer Rich Silk Cream. I lost a little spatula that came with it. Have a little bit here on the lid. I'm just gonna take. A little goes a long way for this cream. So that's all I really need. My skin loves this, especially in the winter time. I can already feel the hydration just rushing back. I can't recall the last time my face has ever felt this smooth. Like, I cannot stop touching my face because it's just so smooth. Another product that we did not use in the video is the sheet mask. Not gonna lie, kind of forgot about it. Was like in the zone of the skincare routine, so sorry about that. I'll use it, either make an Instagram post or I will put it in an empties to talk about how the experience was. And then just for that added extra hydration, let's spray on the Luminous Dewy Face Mist. Doesn't smell nearly as good as the rice wash. It has a very refined spritz, so I would probably need at least 6. And that sounds a little cray-cray because of how expensive it is. I think that's close to 50 bucks. So doing 2 spritz on each side of the face, a little bit much. But I can just see like 1, 2, 3, be done. But since it is so refined, that's why I would probably need 6. And the droplet size isn't as large. It feels like a very refined mist because the spray radius is there. It's just the droplet size is a little lacking to achieve just 3 spritz. So just to quickly recap the products that we got. Can't really talk about this. Forgot to use it, my bad. We'll use that later. The Serum Stick, I need to play around a little bit more. Maybe I need to read some of the reviews just to see like best application. I think one of my favorite influencers, Garrett, has used this a bunch of times, so I'm gonna have to go refer to a bunch of his videos to see how he used this. I like the end result, I just didn't like how I applied it, so I think it is on me and not the product. I do like the Luminous Skin Mist. I just wish it had a little bit more droplet to it, but it has a really good spray radius, especially if you just need like a little skin refresher or hydration throughout the day. That's gonna be perfect. And then I am completely obsessed with the rice wash. I definitely see myself going through that tube rather quickly, which makes me sad, but it did an amazing job. I've been using a lot of foam cleansers recently. We just keep getting them in BOXYCHARM, IPSY. I've been rotating between like the Elemis and the Kylie Skin ones, and I thought those made my face feel smooth. Nothing comparable to this smoothness with the rice wash. I'm not even joking. And I think it's gonna work out really well with my dry skin. I'm really curious to see how it's gonna work out in the winter, if I'm still gonna feel that smoothness and hydration, almost instant feeling after just washing my face. That's gonna be like the true test right there. I think it also worked out really nice with the oil cleanser as well. That's like a really good double cleanse duo right there. I would love to know if you guys have tried any of the Tatcha products. What are some of your favorite ones? I would definitely love to know in the comments below. There are still a handful that I have not tried yet, like their eye cream. My eyes definitely feel naked that I didn't put any eye cream on. That's because I haven't bought Tatcha's, because I think it's like $65. I remember when it was releasing, I tagged Catherine and she was like, $65 for an eye cream? I said, I know. But we got QMS over here, $150 from BOXYCHARM. And did you guys get the Trend Mood Tatcha box takeover? I would love to know how your experience was with the products, and are you guys loving this rice wash as much as I am? That is a really good first impression. Like, that's how a first date should be. I'm that impressed. Also, let me know if you like this style of video. I can do some more skincare videos like this. Current morning skincare skincare routine, nighttime routine. I actually have like a quarantine skincare routine. It's just been like a bunch of new products and my typical ones. And I can also maybe do some hair videos in this style as well. So let me know if you guys are interested in seeing any of those. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And if you don't, I appreciate your view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.